Dogecoin has been all the rage since its commencement. The one inquiry that has crossed all personalities is, will Doge reach $1? With the unpredictability and variances in the crypto market, there are chances that Doge will come to the most anticipated $1 mark. Want to know how high the Doge token can arrive at this long time? So immediately, how about we start with the coin outline and Dogecoin cost forecast. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as indicated by our Dogecoin forecast 2023. The coin might have least and greatest costs of around 7 cents and 18 cents individually. Dogecoin value expectation 2025 when it is 2025. Our Dogecoin gauge proposes that the coin could have arrived at a most extreme worth of 39 cents, with a base cost of 25 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2030 according to our Doge cost forecast. It is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of 82 cents, with a base cost of 57 cents in 2030. History of Dogecoin, which isolates Dogecoin from most other altcoins in the digital money market, is expansion as opposed to deflationary cryptographic money. Bitcoin and numerous other cryptographic forms of money are figured out to such an extent that they have a hard stop cap of monetary standards. Dogecoin is a decentralized and totally secure organization. It is intended to be a well-disposed, more receptive type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a well-known web image. Dogecoin's cost has colossal potential. With the sort of distinction rising, Dogecoin's presence is huge contrasted with different contenders. Utilizing Dogecoin needs no exceptional preparation. Amicable to utilize, it carries genuine worth to its clients. Sacking your Dogecoin is currently simple. Thus, utilization of Dogecoin implies power in the possession of the client. The standard of any driving coin is the fame and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for Dogecoin is very high. This computerized cash is dynamic and resolute worth wins around a quality of the whole Dogecoin people group that places their confidence in it. The Doge wallet is a carefully facilitated capacity that will provide your resources with the most elevated level of safety that anyone could hope to find. The clients who own Dogecoin in their wallet can involve it for Dogecoin loaning. They need to give subtleties, wallet address, and open a record there. Dogecoin specialized examination notwithstanding the historical backdrop of tempests and typhoons in the cryptographic money market, there is a fair future. In any case, nothing can be sure in the cryptographic money space, and that is the point at which our digital currency cost figure comes into the image. Dogecoin's absolute market cap is exchanging around $11,520,330,919 and is currently the 8th greatest advanced money on the planet. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin is around 8 cents, with an exchanging volume of $441,037,126. The ongoing stock is at $139,097,276,384 Doge, while the absolute flowing inventory is $139,097,276,384. The general digital money market capitalization has denoted a tremendous change this year, including the Dogecoin market cap. After the Doge's cost arrived at its ATH, it denoted a monstrous fall over the long haul. In any case, the ongoing Dogecoin cost developments have denoted a fair recuperation as of late. The Doge's cost bankrupted the prompt opposition with no obstacles. It attempted to outperform the significant obstruction of 9 cents and, surprisingly, succeeded. Afterward, because of some benefit booking exercises, the Dogecoin value began to exchange underneath the obstruction. Specialized markers propose that the image coin needs a purchaser's help to start the positive excursion once more. Will Doge support the ascent? Everything started when Elon Musk fixed a $44 billion arrangement to assume control over Twitter. When this news was out, the Dogecoin cost flooded nearly by 100%. It is on the grounds that Elon Musk has consistently upheld Dogecoin and considered it a group's coin on different events. Elon Musk's ceaseless help of tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been useful to the coin. Numerous standard financial backers accept that Elon Musk will coordinate Doge into the working of Twitter, and without a doubt, financial backer opinion viewing the equivalent became more grounded as Musk reported that clients would need to purchase a $8 month-to-month membership for an authority blue tick. As per the investigation, Doge's cost will support on the off chance that the hypotheses work out as expected. Dogecoin came to 11 cents, just with hypotheses. It will become one of the most incredible crypto resources. Taking into account the ongoing business sector capitalization, it very well may be a wise speculation. Dogecoin could be one of only a handful of exceptional digital forms of money equipped for being utilized as a practical cash instead of essentially as a speculative resource. As per the Dogecoin value forecasts of the wallet financial backer, Dogecoin may not be a wise venture, and they anticipate the Dogecoin cost to be around $0 long-term in. Conversely, the Specialized Examination and Dogecoin Value Expectation of Advanced Coin Cost propose that the coin will go up to 18 cents in 2023. Taking a gander at the ongoing buyer market of Dogecoin, the resource might contact another unsurpassed high in the impending years. Indeed, even specialists of Changelly additionally foresee that the exchanging cost of Dogecoin will reach $1.47 by 2030. Dogecoin Expectation 2023 according to the market opinion and future cost activity. The most extreme expected Doge cost may be around 18 cents, while the typical cost may be 13 cents. And the base cost may be 7 cents in light of our cost expectation. Dogecoin cost could have tracked down extraordinary help in a brief period after the ascent of this current year. Dogecoin forecasts 2024 according to the Doge Value Expectation and Specialized Examination. The typical cost may be 22 cents in 2024. Simultaneously, Dogecoin's cost might arrive at a limit of 28 cents and at least 15 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2025 according to our Dogecoin cost expectation for 2025. The coin could have a most extreme and least market cost of around 39 cents and 25 cents. In examination, the typical cost may be around 32 cents toward the finish of 2025. Doge Value Expectation 2026 as per the Dogecoin cost forecast. It might hit a greatest cost of 45 cents and the base exchanging cost of around 30 cents for the year 2026. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging worth might be around 38 cents. A gigantic convention is normal in Dogecoin's cost over time. Doge Expectation 2027 as indicated by our Doge cost forecast. It is normal that Dogecoin be valued at 51 cents, which additionally is the most extreme worth, while the base incentive for a similar period might be around 35 cents. Running against the norm, the typical cost of Dogecoin perhaps 43 cents. Dogecoin estimate 2028 even in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market. An image coin like Dogecoin might keep on demonstrating its worth even in the bear market. According to the Dogecoin cost forecasts, the coin could arrive at the greatest worth of 57 cents, with a base cost of 40 cents. Simultaneously, the typical cost can be 49 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029 Our Doge cost expectation uncovers that the Dogecoin cost will exchange between 47 cents to 63 cents, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2029, while the typical cost for the year perhaps 55 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030 In light of our Dogecoin Cost Forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should arrive at the greatest and least costs of 82 cents and 57 cents. The typical cost might be around 69 cents, with a fair rate change for the year 2030. The market capitalization might have risen essentially continuously 2030. My expectation is that hashtag Dogecoin will ultimately become coordinated with Twitter soon here and there. This will naturally acquaint north of 200 million clients with hashtag DOG, giving them motivation to involve it and increasing the value of the cryptographic money overall. It can't be overlooked the way that Dogecoin offers the upside of being a proper inflationary money, which makes it inseparable